Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today 17/11/2025 12:50 p.m. in the afternoon. After we explore Sky Plaza, we are going to visit Marunam Falls. This falls exactly 2.5 km away from Sky Plaza, 5 minutes bike ride. The first 2 km you can drive bike, rest of the 500 meter you need to walk to the falls. This falls located at Batchelor East, Natividad, Pangasinan.
Yeah. Waterfall. Okay. You want some sticker? Picture. No. It is already taking video already. It is already video. It is 360. You can stand here. It will be video.
Video 360.
Oblong.
360.
360 is already 360.
Wow!
Look here. Fall down. Done. Look here. Wow. Okay. So where are you from? You're from here? Okay. What's your name?
I'm Lorraine.
Lorraine. Okay.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
How far is the waterfall? Very far?
Marunam Falls.
500 meter?
Yes.
500 meter. So you stop the vehicle here and walk?
No.
Still can ride?
Still can
Still
ride.
ride.
Going to the Paraiso.
So the water like this only there?
No.
Clear
There,
water?
clear.
Very clear. Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
There, over there.
Anybody want to come? You want to come?
No.
Sticker.
I'm still cooking right now.
Okay. Thank you. Ah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Safe ride.
I'm really happy right now because he gave me a hope. Dream come true if the water was clear so I can jump in. We have a CR over there, parking over here, gateway control point. Almost like 1 o'clock, we are in Marunam Falls. It's only 10 pesos for the parking area. Look at the entrance, beautiful. So that is office. You need to pay the 10 peso parking fee. Look at that. The flowers fantastic, beautiful, nicely maintained over there. Wow. I hope everything going to be fine. That's what I'm thinking. I can see the watercolor is not that great. Either way, I'm going to check it out. Because of the rainy season, it is supposed to be like this only. Very hard to get the clear water. Look how deep it is. It's very deep. Almost like 100-meter down deep. So you need to be careful. Lucky enough, I pay only one entrance fee for the Sky Plaza and the Marunam Falls. Same entrance fee, 30 pesos. It works for both places. Only parking fee is different. Here only 10 pesos. Sky Plaza parking fee is like 20 pesos. That's the difference. For me, I love the adventure. So I cannot miss. Wow. See how deep it is. Seriously. The problem is, if it rains, there is no way you can hide over here. There's no way. That's the steps. They are going up. Wow. You need to be careful. Look. Beautiful. I think still you got to walk another 300 meter. You can guess. A little bit up and down. Almost there. You have a small stream. You need to be careful with these rocks. They will roll you down. Wow. You have another steps. Beautiful. That's a viewpoint. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this viewpoint. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I was a little bit disappointed because right now the water was very full. Look at it. The water was very full, so we cannot jump in the water. That's the situation. I know the safety is first. Safety is very, very important right now. So they don't allow to go more than here. This is the last place you can go. Look at that. They will stop over here because of the safety reason. I can come next time. I can jump later. But easiest way to check, go to Facebook of Natividad. Check over there whether you can swim or not. Check that information. If everything good, everything is green, so you can enjoy the water. Either way, I have to come one more time. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.